Good morning, students. Here I welcome you in our virtual class. So here is the diary writing. Our today's topic, diary writing. Diary writing, it means what? That it is such a personal document. There you write your personal experience of your day-to-day life. In this diary writing, you are not going to write about your friend. You are not going to write about your family members. You are going to write about yourself. So students, the people who have a habit of diary writing, and means some writer, they have published their diary. Okay, so it means that the another benefit of this diary writing is that if you whatever happened throughout the day, if you write on that day, so you will get memorized, and if it is memorized, you will write in full detail. If you will think, if you will write after 3 days, okay, you will write, so then some part you will get forgotten. So that's why in diary writing it is necessary to write a true thing. Such लिखना है. If you will write any false thing, so it means that you will not honest with your diary. And this diary writing, sometimes it is act as your friend also. So these are the format of your diary writing. What are the format of your diary writing? First, that a good writing contains a spot, date, day, even the hour of composition. Means when you are writing, suppose today's date is the 9th August. Then you are going to write where suppose you are in now in Badlapur. So you will write Badlapur. Then today's date 9th August 2021. Today is Monday. On which day time you are writing? ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है कि डायरी हमेशा रात को ही लिखनी चाहिए. You can write any time. So if you write, basically all the people loves to write diary at night because पूरे दिन में जो हुआ रहता, so you will write at night. So here 8 p.m. These are the format dates, student date. You are going to write in this format only. Which one? Badlapur, 9th August, Monday, 8 p.m. Okay. Then the next one is the next one. If second point is that the diary need not bother with any conversational heading, notwithstanding it is a discretionary in the email that you need to you give an appropriate heading. So it means that if you are writing an essay, in essay writing you need to give a heading. Then later on in letter writing, you are supposed to write an address, then date, then you have to give a salutation, then body of the letter, then the closure. ये सब चीजें important होती है. But in diary writing, it is heading does not require. First, what require? The day. On which day, on which time you are writing and place. And then the style and tone are the most part of casual. It is only casual. It should not be demanding. Oh, sorry भी होना चाहिए, normal casual, because ऐसे लिखना है जैसे आप अपने फ्रेंड से बात कर रहे हो, मम्मी से बात कर रहे हो. So only casual writing is required. And then unhappy, you have to communicate with your sentiments, means the real thing. Okay, reality you are going to write it about it. ऐसे ही कुछ झूठ झूठ नहीं लिखना है, because this one you are going to write it. Okay, so मतलब जो भी reality है, जो भी सच चीजें है, वही आपको लिखना है. कोई भी चीज बढ़ा चढ़ा के you all are not supposed to write it. Okay, students. And then the next point is that as the diary author's very own archive, the journal passage need not bother it any signature. It is absolutely discretionary. It is absolutely discretionary, students. It means that जो भी है, okay, जो भी आपको आप कर रहे हो, so that उसमें आपको paragraph या जैसे in letter writing you need to do 2 paragraph 3 paragraph, इसमें ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होता है. No need कि 1 paragraph करो 2 paragraph करो then have a signature, ये ऐसा कुछ भी important नहीं रहता है. Okay, you can write in your own way, खुद के way से आपको लिखना है. Okay, fine students. तो मतलब इसमें कुछ restriction नहीं है कि टीचर 1 लिखना है 2 लिखना है 3 लिखना है. You can write in a 1 paragraph, you can write in a 2 paragraph, you can write in a 3 paragraph. It is totally up to you. Then later on, the next point is for you is that you can advance your own this diary writing can write in your own appropriate. Means it doesn't need, it doesn't require any kind of the rules and regulations. The basic is what the date is required or else not more than that. Okay. Then the next one is that as diary writing example. Students, in diary writing, what is important that we have learned? Now here I'll ask question to the students. Now this is the format of your diary writing, that your topic is that you went to receive your uncle and aunt from the Bangalore railway station. Okay, you went there, and on that topic you all are supposed to write a diary where what happened. Okay, so here basically what is required, that the place is that where it is a Bangalore. So write Bangalore. See, first time if you are writing a diary, so there only you are supposed to mention your place. Why? Because every time तो आप जगह तो देते हो नहीं. Okay, so जगह तो देते if you are changing, if the place gets changed, if you are writing your diary in Delhi, so there you have to mention a Delhi. If you are writing your diary, in a Kolkata, then write a Kolkata. So where if your place gets changed, then only you have to change the place, otherwise no need to write. Then the date 9th Jan 2021, then the time where you are writing. And this one you are talking with your diary, so it is necessary to write dear diary. See students, in exam also we are correcting your papers in this way, half marks to place, half marks to diary, and half marks to the time. ऐसा correction pattern होता है. So students, don't forget to write all these things, because we are giving marks to this pattern also. Then dear diary you have written. Then this boy is writing, today I went to Bangalore railway station, Yeshwantputra. I received my uncle and aunt who were coming from Mumbai. It was a bright sunny day. Sun was shining like a star, where I and my father might crossing the Orion Mall. We saw 3 elephants that made reminded of my Kerala trip. Last year, I went on Kerala trip where we visited around 5 cities like Kochi, Wand, Munnar, Kovalam, and Alpuza. All the places were really awesome and beautiful. Then we went to Elephant Junction, Tagday, Kumili, where people go for elephant rides. I rode sitting above the elephant for 2.5 hours. Then we also have done elephant bath and feeding. We took a lot of picture with elephant. It was a night trip. I still can't get over it. It means that this boy went to receive an uncle to the aunt. So what he imagined there, that he has written there. So students, by seeing it, have you observed it, that they have written that they have written anything, that I am so excited, I feel so happy, ये सब चीजें you are not going to mention in the diary writing कि मुझे gift मिला, ये नहीं. जो main point है, exact point, important point, that point is only you are going to write it. Unnecessary point, you are going to, you are not going to write it. Okay, students. So now it's time to write. Students, here I'll give you the 10 minutes. Just write in your book fast. One time it's a recap of the diary writing, that a diary is a book in which one can write about things that happen in everyday life. Really, a diary is a book. Whatever is happen is throughout the day, we are writing in a book. People write a diary entries to remember things that happen in a day-to-day life. In day-to-day life, what happens? The peoples are writing that. So the people share what they share, their thought, feeling, hope, dreams in their writing. So the page number is 45. The student is asking. Okay. Then here, the next one. How we all are supposed to write the diary writing. It's just a revision that this is the sample of your diary writing. First, it is necessary to write day and date. So here, day and date. It is very important. Firstly, you are supposed to write a place. मैंने पहले बताया था कि first page में ही लिखना है. If you are changing your place, where if you are in Bangalore, if you are in Mumbai and you are writing a diary in a Kolkata, then you are supposed to mention a place. Otherwise, no need. So, but what is necessary? Your day and date. Then the salutation means to whom. It means you are talking with a diary. So it is a salutation, greeting, dear diary. Then it is a content of the diary. What is the content of a diary? That means you can see in this picture, in this video, see. If you wanted to make a paragraph, you can make it. Otherwise, no, not necessary. Zaruri nahi hai itna. But if you want, you can. And then what is required? Signature is required. Okay, students, the doubt get clear?